Hi, today I'll talk about static properties and methods. So I have created a folder practice, and here let's select cmd, so command prompt, and I will generate the tsconfig file. So I'll run this tsc-init command, and it has generated this tsconfig file. Now let's add a Typescript file, so app.ts. Okay, let's create a class. So class, let's say person, and here we will have a static field or property. We can call this phrase, and let's say it will be good morning, and we'll have a constructor, and I will make this public. I will take two parameters, first name and last name. So first name it will be string, and then another will be last name, it will be string, and that's it for the constructor. Now let's add a static method. So let's call this greet. Here we will accept a person object. So we can say that p1 or person in small, so it will be type of person, and here we will first declare a constant message, and this will be this phrase, and then first name and last name. So to access the static properties and method, we have to use the parent class name. So like this, person dot phrase, and then a space. After this we can pass this person object's first name and add a space, then person object's last name. Then we can log it in the console. So this message. Now let's save this, and let's create an instance of this person class. So suppose const p1, and let's say new person, and it will be Robin, and now if we create another instance, suppose const p2, it will be a new object, new person, and we can make suppose to him. So these are our two instances. Now suppose if we try to access this phrase property from this person1 object, so p1 dot phrase, you can see that we cannot access this phrase or greet from this person's object. So there's no way to access greet or phrase. We don't need to create an instance of the class to access these static properties. We can simply access it like this, person dot phrase, like this, and we can store this in a constant like this, and we can use it like this. We don't even need to add this code. If we comment this code, it's absolutely okay. It's not, we don't have to use new and this something like, so we don't have to initialize a new object to access this. These are actually very static, so it will be not instance specific, it will be static to all. If we change it, suppose if we change it like person dot phrase equal good night, and then now if we greet them, person dot greet, and pass this one, so p1. Now if we save this and run compile the code, running tsc command, and now if we run the code node app.js, you can see now it's saying good night Robin instead of good morning. So we can change it after this one, like person.phrase equal good afternoon, and then we can create p2 or p1, that doesn't matter, the phrase will be changed for every instance of person. So if we now did this to person object and save this and compile it again, now run the command node app.js, you can see it has changed. The first is saying good night here, but after we have changed it, it's good afternoon for both of the instances. So actually it's static. This is the behavior of static properties and methods. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video.